So this is the iPhone 12 with a stunning green color. Today we are going to show you step by step how to set up and activate it, and transfer data to it from your old iPhone. Let's get started. The first thing to do is turn on your device. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Then you'll see the hello screen. Go ahead and swipe up, and then select your language and country. Now you should see the quick start. If you want to transfer data from an old iPhone, skip ahead to the option 2, where we'll walk you through all the steps. So if you just want to activate it, tap Setup manually, and move on till you get here. By connecting to a Wi-Fi network, you'll activate the device. If you're setting up an iPhone or iPad Wi-Fi and cellular, you might need to insert your SIM card first. Here is how. First, use the SIM tray ejector that comes with your iPhone to pull out the SIM tray from your iPhone 12. Then place the SIM card into the tray, then insert the tray into the device completely and in the same orientation that you removed it. You can also insert the SIM card later after activating the device via Wi-Fi. So select a Wi-Fi network, enter the passcode to continue. If you see this data and privacy screen, it means the device has been activated. Go ahead and set up Face ID or Touch ID and create a passcode. At this point it says if you want to transfer data with all these options, I'm just going to choose Don't Transfer App and Data. Moving on, now it's asking you to sign in your Apple ID. You can skip this if you prefer to do it later. So I'm going to enter my Apple ID and password. Now it says it'll take a few minutes to set it up. If your device got stuck on this screen longer than 1 hour, watch our another video here to learn how to fix it. When the terms and condition pops up, tap Agree to continue. Moving on, you can tap all the blue buttons by default, or choose other option that suits you. Well done, now we have got to the home screen. If you want to transfer data from your old iPhone, here is how to get it done using the Quick Start. In the Quick Start, place your old device near your iPhone 12, turn the screen on and off to invoke the Quick Start on your old device, then confirm your Apple ID and tap Continue. Now scan the image on your new phone. Enter the passcode to proceed till you see the transfer data screen. Move on, till you see the data transfer screen again. The progress bar should show up at this point. How long it would take depends on how big a backup you have on the old device. Just wait patiently till it completed. Okay, now you can see on your old device that the transfer has completed, and your iPhone 12 is restarting. Seconds later, you'll see the home screen. So there it is, all your data and settings have been moved to your iPhone 12. That's it, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.